Ew, I look terrible. Good morning, YouTube. I'm gonna vlog today because why not? I am doing online school, waiting to get into my class. That's a picture of my doggy. But let's get today started. Right now we are waiting at the hand doctor to get this cast off and x-rayed and all of that good stuff. As you can see, they have us waiting outside due to coronavirus social distancing. Look, it's deformed. Look how deformed. Anyways, let's get this show on the road. Waiting in the doctor's office now to get my pesky cast off. Last time with this cast. Say bye, everybody. Bye. And the cast is off. Definitely still broken. I can feel it. Ouch. There's my x-rays. Right there are the x-rays. And we finished. And I got another cast. Of course. When is it gonna stop? When is it gonna stop? The world may never know. Mom, say hey.
Hey, maybe in 3 weeks.
Maybe in 3 weeks it'll stop.
You're getting a brace after the cast.
Yeah,
anyway.
after the cast anyway, I'm gonna get a removable brace.
Isn't
just to
that
be.
lovely?
Isn't it neat? Wouldn't you think my collection's complete? Now we're going to Publix. Let's go. We're at Publix right now, and I'm sitting in the car. I'm talking loud so I don't get copyrighted. Let me turn the music off. Anyways, I'm sitting in the car at Publix, waiting for my mom to do a shopping. Oh, boom. New cast, baby. Now I'm gonna eat. I am now on my way to the pet store. So yeah, the car's a mess. Ignore that. But let's go to the pet store. Why am I wearing a mask? I don't know. Let's go. Oh my God. Oh! Fuck shit. Hi. Yes. Hi. Oh, you're so little. Oh, look at this one. Hello. Oh, hello. You're just so tiny. Hello, babies. Hey, you want to play too? Hello. You're just so tiny. You're so tiny. You're so tiny. Can I boop you? Boop. Boop. Aw. Boop. Boop. Your eyes are so pretty. The pet store for more fiddler crabs, but they didn't have any fiddler crabs, so I called around to different places. Nobody else had them. So I'm gonna have to wait till the local fish store PFK gets them in Wednesday at 1 o'clock, and then I'll be stocking my tank with fiddlers.